Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Hunter ceiling fan is spinning perfectly, but the light won't respond to the remote, it can feel like something is broken, even though part of the fan is working fine. This kind of issue is usually not a major failure. It often comes down to signal problems, incorrect settings, or a small disconnect between the remote and the receiver. Since the fan motor and light kit operate through separate controls, it's possible for one to work while the other doesn't. Many people immediately think they need to replace the entire unit, but in reality, a few simple checks can bring the light back under control. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix a Hunter fan light that isn't working with the remote. Try these. Step 1. Change the batteries in the remote with fresh ones. Step 2. Turn off power to the fan from the power switch. Step 3. Wait briefly and then restore power to reset the receiver. Step 4. Repair the remote with the fan using the pairing process. Step 5. Check the light bulb and ensure it is properly installed. Step 6. Test the remote to confirm the light responds correctly.